Hey guys, good morning and welcome to the Blades of Grass Lawn Care channel. I'm Johnny, owner of Blades of Grass Lawn Care. Now, I went to the hospital because I injured my hand, and throughout the whole scenario, I was told that I need to lay off whatever task I'm doing for at least a week or so. So it prompted me to thinking and to look at the following question. What do you guys do when you're injured on the job and this is your lawn care company and you are a solo guy? Right now I have guys and I'll send them out and they'll complete all my properties, and life goes on. I'll drive around, check and ensure that my properties are being taken care of, and I'll probably go out there with them. It's not to the point where I can't do anything, and I can't stay at home. That's just not my thing. But getting back to the question, what do you guys do, especially you solo guys? Yes, I started out as a solo guy, but I wasn't solo for too long and I never actually got injured to the point where I couldn't actually pop some pills and keep trucking, keep it moving. So I know another guy on YouTube had this also a question on this, but it prompted me to say, hey man, this happened. Now what? Especially you solo guys. Put it in the description below. Let me know what you guys do. And let's be honest about it. Saying that I just tell my customers, this is what happened, and whenever I get better, I'll come back and I'll do it. It's not going to work, because and I know that you provide a service and you provide a convenience. It is a convenient service. You mow people lawn, or you do, we're talking lawn care here, where you go every week or every 2 weeks. The customer wants their lawns mowed. That's it. They don't care about what you did last week or the week before. They want their property maintained for whatever reason. They're paying you a service and they want the property maintained. So you as a provider need to figure out, how are you going to do this and keep your customers happy? Simple as that. Tell me, guys, give me a solution. What do you guys do? Or not a solution, but yeah, solution. And also, what you guys do when you get injured. And like I said before, don't give me that, oh, I just chuck it up. And, guys, things happen to the point where you can't work. What is your contingency plan, if you have one? Contingency plan meaning, okay, this happened, this is what I'm going to do. You got to have a plan B, right? What do you guys do? I need to know, because again, it's been put out on the internet, especially for us lawn care guys, the guys that go out there and mow. You say you have your lawn care business and you're a solo guy and you're proud of being solo. There's nothing wrong with being solo, but I'm just need to know, just for me, and hopefully other solo guys can look at this and say, you know what, thanks for your idea, let me try this, or I didn't think about this, let me go ahead and implement this. Let me know, guys, you solo guys, what do you do, or to ensure that your customers are being serviced? And I had a guy that posted somewhere, I forgot where it was. He said that he has a friend that has a lawn care company that takes over his properties, or a system. But how long can you do that? And what happens if your friend does a better job than you, and the customer is sitting down in their home looking at you? Because people look at you while you're out there mowing. Don't be under the assumption that nobody cares. They look at what you're doing. But what happens when your friend does a better job than you, and the customer turns around and say, you know what, I wanted this other guy to do my lawn, and then you lose the account? See what I'm talking about? All right, guys, don't want to prolong this video too long. I need you guys to give me your honest opinion on what do you do when you get injured and you're a solo guy, or if you have a contingency plan for when something like this happens. Okay? Hey guys, this is a channel where we share knowledge. Put it in the description below. Other guys, come back, watch this video, come back later on, check it out, read the descriptions, and see exactly what other means are there for you to take care of your customers. Okay? Be safe out there, guys. Pop smoke. Peace.